So hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to install and update new version of the Netflix. Okay, so guys, if you want to update your Netflix, so guys, it is very simple process. Okay, so guys, before starting the process, so guys, you need to check you having the good internet connection or not. Okay, so guys, if you're having the good internet connection, so you can move forward. Okay, so guys, first of all, you can go to your app store. Okay, then in the app store you can find your Netflix. If you got your Netflix in the spotlight, so you can go from here, otherwise you can search in the search box. Okay, then you can press and hold this button. Okay, so you can see now here you can see the more options. So guys, you can see here is the more options, so you can click on the more options. So guys, after that you can see here is the option is open and compatible device. So guys, if any update is available of the Netflix, so here it's showing for the update. Okay, now there is no update is available. Okay, so in your app store showing any update, so you can update your Netflix from here. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day, and subscribe our YouTube channel for the further information. Maybe this video is very helpful for you.